Hello everyone, it's Yulia Fior. Welcome to my channel. Today we are traveling to 1960s. After I saw a film about Priscilla Presley, I again received a lot of inspiration to try something in 1960s. Honestly, it's not my daily look or something, as you know, but from time to time I really love to make something interesting, and 1960s is always about experience with makeup for me, and of course hair. So it's not so easy to do as you might think, this outfit, but I will share my process and hope you will try it as well.
So for this hairstyle I just have freshly washed hair, and I'm starting with adding some extra hair for extra volume because I don't have enough, I think, for this hairstyle. So I'm fixing it on the back of my head, and starting, actually the main thing is to tease. I'm using hairspray and special teasing brush, and my secret, which I knew from professional hairstylists, that before teasing you are firstly adding a little bit of hairspray on this piece of hair, and then you teasing with such, as you can see, movements. I'm showing you how to do that, and it's like the best way to make your hair done. But of course, as I know, better if your hair will be not freshly washed, so it's teasing better. So I'm teasing and everything everywhere. It's like a lot of work for 1960s. And then I started to create actually a hairstyle, and realized that my hair is not enough to cover this forehead. So I needed to remove it and continue to teasing that part where it was placed. So actually you need to tease all your head, not only upper part. Then I'm with a brush, like very gentle brush in my hair, and adding a lot of hairspray. So I'm down and adding accessories. I think daisies is really 1960s earrings, and don't forget to take with you your red tail comb to fix your volume anytime you need, and you will need it during the day, believe me. And don't forget to follow me and like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.